We're lifting the bike slowly now, making sure the frame stays balanced and nothing is damaged as it comes free from the ground. I'm securing the straps now to keep the bike stable during transport.
I'm carefully removing the old seat now, lifting it slowly so I don't stress the rusted mounts.
I'm lifting the fuel tank carefully so we can inspect the rust inside. I'm slowly loosening the exhaust pipe, letting the rust flakes fall gently as I remove it. I'm carefully lowering the engine to avoid stressing the frame and mounts.
I'm slowly removing the wheel, letting it rotate naturally as I free it from the frame.
I'm slowly freeing the chain, letting the rusted links separate gently from the sprocket. Here we can see the thick sludge accumulated inside the engine casing over decades.
I'm inspecting the piston carefully, feeling the texture of the rust and old grease.
I'm carefully examining the brittle wiring, noting the cracks and corrosion.
This brake drum has seized over decades, with thick layers of rust and pitting visible.
Inside the fuel tank, heavy rust has built up over decades, creating deep textures and scale.
I'm gently tapping the frame to see the rust flakes fall, revealing decades of corrosion.
The gasket surfaces are cracked and brittle, revealing decades of wear and corrosion.
The rusted bolts are soaking in the solution, with small bubbles forming as the corrosion loosens. I'm gently brushing the rust off the frame, revealing the original metal beneath.
I'm carefully grinding the rust off the frame, revealing the original metal underneath.
I'm carefully welding these small rust holes, sealing the frame while keeping surrounding areas untouched.
The engine parts are soaking as rust and grime loosen, bubbles rising gently in the solution.
I'm carefully polishing the engine fins, letting the original metal shine through while keeping the surrounding patina intact. I'm gently scrubbing and reassembling the carburetor, carefully removing grime while keeping original parts intact.
I'm carefully fitting new piston rings onto the original piston, ensuring perfect alignment and smooth operation.
I'm carefully inserting fresh bearings into the original wheel hubs, ensuring precise alignment and smooth fit.
I'm carefully applying primer to the frame, covering every surface evenly while maintaining the original structure.
I'm gently hammering out the dents on the fuel tank, restoring its original shape while preserving the surrounding paint and metal.
I'm slowly polishing the exhaust pipe, bringing out its original shine while preserving the surrounding metal surfaces.
I'm carefully cleaning and straightening each spoke, ensuring the wheel maintains its original structure while removing rust and imperfections.
I'm carefully truing the wheels, ensuring every spoke and rim is aligned perfectly while preserving the original components. I'm carefully reassembling the brake components, ensuring precise alignment and smooth operation while preserving all original surfaces.
I'm carefully mounting the rebuilt engine, aligning it precisely with the frame while keeping all original components untouched.
I'm routing the new electrical wiring carefully, keeping everything neat and aligned while preserving the original components.
I'm slowly polishing the handlebars, enhancing their shine while preserving all original surfaces and components.
I'm fitting the new foam into the seat carefully, making sure it sits perfectly while preserving the original frame and structure.
I'm carefully polishing and installing the chrome parts, bringing out their shine while preserving all original components.
I'm carefully bolting the engine into the frame, making sure everything aligns perfectly while preserving all existing components.
I'm carefully reinstalling the wheels, making sure each one aligns perfectly while keeping all existing components untouched.
I'm carefully mounting the chain, making sure each link aligns perfectly while preserving all previously installed components.
I'm carefully mounting the seat, making sure it fits perfectly while preserving all previously installed components. I'm carefully installing the headlight, making sure it sits perfectly while preserving all existing components.
I'm restoring the speedometer and gauges, making sure each one functions perfectly while preserving all existing components.
I'm slowly pouring oil into the engine, making sure every drop reaches its place while preserving all previously installed components.